I'm Usha Rajgopalan, writer and lake activist. After moving to the city and seeing the plight of this little lake in our locality, I wished somebody would do something about saving it. And then I thought, why wait for that someone? Why don't I save the lake myself? This is exactly what I did with the help of my friends from PNLIT. Our trust was registered in June 2010. We are a small team with a big task of saving Puttanahalli Lake. Once a catchment area, the lake declined steadily till in 2009 we got the municipality to rejuvenate it. We signed an MOU with the BBMP in May 2011 and became official custodians of a lake, the first citizens group in the city to do so. To increase the water level, we divert surface runoff into the lake. To ensure inflow even in the dry months, we get about 4 lakh liters a day of excess treated wastewater from an apartment complex. In just 5 years, the bare and dry land around the water body has become a lush green with trees and shrubs planted by our donors, volunteers and people living nearby. The lake belongs to all. PNLIT trustee Nupur Jain explains how we are making it a people's lake.
In order to promote awareness about lake and our work, we also hold events at the lake for both kids and adults. For kids, it's something related to nature, like we have nature workshops, storytelling sessions for kids where kids listen to stories related to water, birds, butterflies, etc. And we also conduct bird walk for kids. They go for nature walks. And for adults also, there is photography workshop, bird walk and nature walk.
We share our experience with all, but focus our attention particularly on the children. They enjoy the gardening, the planting, the weeding and more. Adults help with the heavier tasks such as planting a dead tree in the lake bed for birds to perch or shifting soil. Indeed, it is family time at the lake for the young and the not so young. Several companies have also sent their volunteers to our lake. Their numbers are more and we get our bigger tasks done through them, such as removing weeds from the dry reaches of the lake bed and shifting it to a composting site. In our endeavor to save the lake, we face challenges all the time. A few are natural, like invasive weeds in the water. But most of our problems are made by man. This can stop only when people understand that lakes are important and need to be protected. As much as we celebrate festivals, we need to celebrate nature.
In Feb last year, we conducted Kere Habba at our lake, that is the lake festival, which was attended by over 700 people. As much as they enjoyed the event, I hope these people take this message forward that saving lakes is every citizen's responsibility.
Today our lake is alive and thriving. It is a delight. Really, if we can do it, everybody else can do this. Take up the cause of a lake in your locality. Make it the collective responsibility and nurture it. Take care of lakes.